In this video, I'm going to talk about present value single sum. It's called single sum because you only have one cash flow involved. I will start with the future value single sum formula, which we will use to derive the present value single sum formula. So you want the right side to be purely present value, so you will do it like this. Making our formula look like this. Or like this. By the way, the hashtag there is the number of compounding periods. So I have the formula now right here, and this is what we will use to solve some questions. Let's try this one. 7 years from now, Ben will purchase a TV that will cost 1,700 pesos. Assume that Ben can earn 6% compounded quarterly on his money. How much should he set aside today for the purchase? First, we write the given. So your time here is 7 years. Future value, 1,700. Then for the rate, it's 6% compounded quarterly. Meaning, you compute the interest 4 times a year and you are tasked to compute the present value. So let's apply the formula. Present value equal, your future value is 1,700. 1 plus, write your rate, 6%. So it's 0.06 divided by 4. Because if the interest is compounded quarterly, you compute the interest 4 times a year. Raised to negative 4 times the number of years, 7. The answer here is 1,120.47. That's how you use the formula. Let's have another. What is the present value of 10,000 to be received 10 years from today? This makes the 10,000 right here the future value because it's 10,000 to be received 10 years from today. And assume that the investment pays 8.5% and is compounded monthly. First, we write the given to simplify. Future value equals 10,000 pesos. Time is 10 years. Then rate is 8.5% compounded monthly. This means that you compute the interest 12 times a year and then you are asked to compute the present value. So let's apply the formula. Present value equals, write your future value, 10,000. 1 plus, write the rate. It's 0.085. That's 8.5%. Divided by the number of compounding periods. If the interest is compounded monthly, it's 12 raised to negative 12 times the number of years, it's 10. Answer is 4,286.98. Last one. If you want 2,250 pesos in 3 years, how much money must you put in a savings account today? Assume the savings account pays 6.25% and is compounded monthly. First, we write the given to make solving easier. Your future value here is 2,250. And you know that this is the future value because the problem says 2,250 in 3 years. So that's future. And then you have the time, 3 years. And then you are given the rate of 6.25% compounded monthly. Then you're looking for the present value. So let's apply the formula. Present value equals, write the future value, 2,250. Then 1 plus, write the rate, 0.0625, which is also 6.25%. divided by 12. Because if the interest is compounded monthly, you compute the interest 12 times a year raised to negative 12 times number of years, 3. The answer here is 1,866.22. And that's how you use the present value single sum formula. In the next video, I'm going to differentiate the nominal rate and the effective rate.